Hey guys, you might not have heard, but LBC have just invested in this lovely new piece of equipment that can help you if you ever have any working at height requirements. So who can we help? Aerial installers, builders, chimney sweepers, film and entertainment, municipal services, painters and decorators, roofers, sign installers, and telecommunications. And don't forget other fellow exterior cleaning companies. So you don't have to waste any time collecting and returning the machine to a depot. Our iPath qualified operator comes directly to you, brings a spare harness, gets you up there in the cherry picker, does all the operation and lets you focus on what you're good at. So if you've got any upcoming projects where you need help to get high so you can do your job safely, then call us today on 0208 088 0611.